Let's look at question 13. It says to find the measure of each angle. There are three angles here. We know that the big one is 90 degrees. So let's find the two smaller ones. Okay. We can write the equation of angle BAC plus angle CAD will add up to 90 degrees. We know that because of the square box in that corner. Okay. Now we can make the substitution. 10x plus 22 plus 7x plus 34 is equal to 9 degrees. Combine some like terms. 10x and 7x become 17x. 22 plus 34 is 56 plus 56 is equal to 9 degrees. Subtract 56 to both sides. 90 minus 56, that gets you 34. 17x is equal to 34. Divide 17 to both sides. You should now get x is equal to 2. All right, let's solve for each angle piece. Angle ABC is equal to 10x plus 22. Plug in that value for x that we figured out. 10 times 2 plus 22, which is 42. So angle BAC is equal to 42 degrees. All right. Again, I'm going to solve for CAD by just plugging in the value. 7x plus 34. 7 times 2, because that's what the x value is. 7 times 2 plus 34, which is going to be 48. Okay, that is what angle CAD is. All right, let me just label this to confirm. This is BAC, so this is 42, this is 48. These two do add up to make 90, so that's how we double checked our work. Next, we see that this is a straight line. That means these two angles add up to 180 degrees. That means angle EFH plus angle HFG is equal to 180 degrees. 6x minus 5 plus 12x plus 5 is equal to 180 degrees. 6x and 12x is 18x. Negative 5 plus 5, which just becomes 0, so we don't write anything, is equal to 180 degrees. Divide by 18 to both sides. This cancels. X is equal to 10. Let's find the point. Let's find the value of each angle. Angle EFH is defined as 6x minus 5. Plug in the value for the x. Okay, and then we have angle EFH is 6 times 10 minus 5. That is 50. That is EFH. It is 55 degrees. So this is 55 degrees. Then we have angle HFG, which is 12x plus 5. 12 times 10 plus 5. 12 times 10 plus 5. That is 125. So that is what angle HFG is. 125 degrees. That is 125 degrees. So there you go. That is how we find the missing angle measurements.